Let's build a real AI app right now with Python and the OpenAI API. Ready? So you want to get GPT-4 running inside your own Python projects, right? Well, you're in luck. Okay, we're going from a blank file to a live AI service. I'll walk you through it.
So what is this thing? It's basically your key to using models like GPT-4 Turbo and DALL-E. The API has a few key endpoints. We're going to focus on chat completions. That's the magic behind chatbots.
All right, time to code. First step, let's get our Python environment ready and install a couple things. Just run this in your terminal. It grabs the official library and another one for keeping things secure.
And this is super important. Put your API key in a .env file. Never, ever hard code it.
Okay, environment set. Now, let's write some Python and actually connect to the API.
This bit of code automatically finds that key and creates your client. Simple as that.
And just like that, we're ready to go. Let's make our very first call to GPT-4 Turbo.
See? We just call chat.completions.create, tell it the model, and pass in our question.
And boom, you get a perfect AI-generated answer right back. You've done it. But that's just a one-off question. For a real chatbot, you need it to remember the conversation. The trick is easy. You just keep the whole conversation in a list and send it back every time. All right, let's get serious. To make this production ready, you gotta treat it like a real microservice. Things will break in the real world. You've got rate limits, network fails, you need to be ready. So wrap your API calls in a try-except block. This stops your whole app from crashing. Next up, logging. You absolutely need to log every request. It's key for debugging and tracking costs. And here's a pro tip. Cache your results. It'll save you money and make your app way faster. Here's a quick cheat sheet. Keep this handy for when you run into these common issues. Okay, final step. Let's wrap all this logic into a web service using FastAPI. It's super easy. Look at that. With just a tiny bit of code, you have a real, scalable API endpoint. So there you have it. We went from nothing to a deployable AI service in just a few minutes. Seriously, it's never been easier to build with this stuff. Now you have the tools. So what will you build?